Examples of simple present tense sentences. I play tennis every Saturday. I play tennis every Saturday. He always eats breakfast before work. He always eats breakfast before work. She walks to school every morning. She walks to school every morning. They speak Spanish fluently. They speak Spanish fluently. We enjoy watching movies on Fridays. We enjoy watching movies on Fridays. You study hard for your exams. You study hard for your exams. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. The earth orbits around the sun. The earth orbits around the sun. Dogs bark when they are excited. Dogs bark when they are excited. Cats sleep for most of the day. Cats sleep for most of the day. The teacher explains the lesson in class. The teacher explains the lesson in class. The train arrives at the station on time. The train arrives at the station on time. The baby cries when she's hungry. The baby cries when she's hungry. The birds chirp in the morning. The birds chirp in the morning. My friend and I have lunch together every Wednesday. My friend and I have lunch together every Wednesday. I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning. The restaurant opens at 11 a.m. The restaurant opens at 11 a.m. The store closes at 9 p.m. The store closes at 9 p.m. She always wears a red dress on special occasions. She always wears a red dress on special occasions. He never drinks coffee after 6 p.m. He never drinks coffee after 6 p.m. The flowers bloom in the spring. The flowers bloom in the spring. I listen to music while I work. I listen to music while I work. They love to travel and explore new places. They love to travel and explore new places. We watch the news every evening. We watch the news every evening. You write in your journal before going to bed. You write in your journal before going to bed. The doctor checks my blood pressure at every visit. The doctor checks my blood pressure at every visit. The company manufactures high-quality products. The company manufactures high-quality products. The dog chases its tail in circles. The dog chases its tail in circles. The cat cleans itself regularly. The cat cleans itself regularly. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. The moon revolves around the earth. The moon revolves around the earth. I exercise every day to stay healthy. I exercise every day to stay healthy. She reads books in her free time. She reads books in her free time. He plays video games on the weekends. He plays video games on the weekends. They volunteer at the local charity organization. They volunteer at the local charity organization. We have dinner together as a family every night. We have dinner together as a family every night. You brush your teeth twice a day. You brush your teeth twice a day. The sunflowers grow tall in the summer. The sunflowers grow tall in the summer. The river flows downstream. The river flows downstream. The students study hard for their exams. The students study hard for their exams. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more amazing contents.